Hello, welcome back to Life in Every Season. A quick video. I had a great install video, but technical difficulties, it was so blurry you couldn't make heads or tails of it. So the vent shades is what we're talking about today, how to install them, some little tips. We bought them through Amazon. There's an installation video, but it's very short and there's no words. These are Voron Glass in-channel vent shades, rain guards, whatever your preference is. This is a Nissan Kicks 2024. They fit from 2019 to 2024 Nissan Kicks. So let me show you some of the tips that we found. I'll take that off the tripod. We'll get it on the gimbal so I don't shake too much. And hopefully I can walk you through how this install goes, even though I don't want to take them down now because I've already got the tape curing and the windows up. One of the biggest questions I had was right here. They were pointing to a right way to do this and a wrong way. The wrong way is to put this in the channel, which it really won't even fit. So it definitely goes outside the channel. You can hopefully get a good look there. Sorry, it's sunny today. So the first thing I did was I test fitted everything dry or without the backing of the tape pulled so I could pull it back out. And once I was happy with how that went, and the only thing a little different with these vent shades, there is a couple clips to install. They're pretty simple. They have pretty good directions. There's one here and one back here. So that's a little different. So you clean the channel with your alcohol wipe, go all the way down the channel, and same way with this one, pull your adhesive off, and they give you a tool to clean. Put your alcohol wipe on that, you clean the channel. Then after you're done, you come back, put this tool in the channel, and I pulled toward me because the tape needs to be adhered towards you. And this curled in, hooked in, is to pull back the weather stripping to get these little hooks in. They're not as big a deal as I thought. There's a flange piece. The flange piece goes outside the car or toward you as you install. Then you ease the windows up and make sure like they don't get caught on an edge here or here, so go up slowly. Then you leave your windows up. They suggest for 72 hours. So we'll see if we make it that far, but that's the instructions. What else can I tell you? Oh, they were packaged in what looked like saran wrap, so they wouldn't be scratched. You got to pull that off. They also are labeled left and right. Pretty easy to figure out which is front and back, but left is always the driver's side. Right is the passenger side. It's just like you're sitting at the wheel getting ready to drive off. A little different with this install is the back window gets two little clips, and let me get one out. I'll get both of them out. I'll put that in my pocket so it doesn't fly away. So you can see how it's shaped. This little front edge goes to the outside, but let's clean it. And they provide this little tool. What we're going to do is wipe it down. This is an alcohol wipe. So let's do that before we get too far along. Go ahead and clean the channels so the alcohol can be completely dry before we stick the tape in. So I've just got around the flat edge of the tool. We're going to start down here. And the adhesive actually goes to the outside, so I'm going to press a little harder toward me to make sure we get that all nice and clean. So there's a little, that's just normal. The other thing is they suggest you leave your car, your windows closed for 3 days, 72 hours. I don't know if we're going to make it that far, but that is the suggestion on the instructions. So I'm going to go ahead and show you. Kelly will bring the camera in here. There's a little lip right here, and this is what the tool's for. You grab it, like say this little flared edge goes toward you. And so you can see what that looks like. I'm going to space one in the back. They don't give exact measurements for where these need to go. I'm just kind of remember watching the video. It's 3 or 4 fingers in on each side. And keep my tool handy. Let's do the front. They do tell you that these are unbreakable, so you can bend them to get them in place, and you're going to have to. I'll show you that. We'll edit this video because all I'm doing is trying to get my fingernails, which are too short, under this tape. They suggest that you start down here in the front edge. So again, this goes on the outside. Just push it in the channel. When you get to about here, you're going to have to do the so that we're going to work it in with the fingers, make sure it's up there tight. Use your plastic tool. We'll put the flat edge in and pull toward me because that's where the tape is. So we're going to rub the back of that. Try to get that tape to adhere. I'm going to also push up, make sure the vent shade is up in the channel. Our RAV4 and my Honda Ridgeline truck, we had in-channel vent shades, and we really liked them that way. We didn't have any problem yet. We've had the tape on the outside of the frame, and sometimes the tape fails. This feels a little more secure. The final suggestion is to, if I can get the car going, is to work this window. I'll get on this side. To work this window up slowly, pull the front edge away. It's not going to hit the back edge. You just don't, you want it to go, the glass to go behind the vent shade. I know that sounds intuitive, but that's the reason. If you watch the video of the manufacturer, why they're suggesting that. So that's all the way up. That one's done. Okay, so I'm going to start. They suggest the front edge. Say the clip is going to be on the outside. I'll go ahead and get this in the channel. Again, the clips, you've got clip, then vent shade. I'm pushing up and pulling out. So I'm going to push up and pull out and try to seal this double-sided tape. And that is it. I'm sorry the video didn't work to get the install, but I don't want to take them off now since they're done and I'm supposed to leave the windows up. I hope that helps a little bit. Like I say, my biggest question was right here. I couldn't see on their video, and that vent shade goes on the outside. There's actually, you can get my finger there behind it. So that's it. I hope this helps a little bit. Please like and subscribe. That would be awesome. We appreciate those who have already done that. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you next time. Bye.